guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. Toyota CelicA GTS 7th generation. So I got my special Tsunami edition right here in the background. Also, I brought my turbokits.com turbo intercooler. There's that beautiful intercooler you guys saw in the intro. And then in addition, of course, I got the turbo right here. Beautiful. I brought these two fun pieces with me, and because I wanted to give you guys an update of when am I going to install this dang turbo. We've been waiting forever, so I'm going to give you guys an update on this video. So, of course, currently, I'm probably going to get down on my knee. Let me change the camera angle. It's so funny. We'll put it up a little bit. So currently on my Toyota CelicA GTS 2ZZ, I bought the car and drove it for like 4,000 miles, and it blew up. The infamous oil blew up on it. So I got a new 2ZZ in here from Monkey Wrench with some built built parts on it, which I really love. And it'll be strong for the turbo kit. You don't have to do this. You can do an NA. You could, a stock one, a stock NA, put the turbo on it. But I want to show you guys how to install it. We're gonna do bolt by bolt, real slow, probably like 10 videos, not 10, but quite a few videos, making it really thorough. Of course, then we'll do some pulls afterwards, and then I'll drag it and do a bunch of fun racing with it. But of course, you want to see the install and you want to hear it and look at it. Two dilemmas. The first dilemma is my 2ZZ MR2 SPYDER blew up, and I was going to use that while I was working on this. That 2ZZ is fine. I think it's fine. We're going to do a video talking about that. But I think I just need a new transmission and a new clutch on it because I broke the bell housing. If that's the case, I think I should probably do the MR2 first, get it running, and then I can start working on the CelicA. The CelicA's ready. I just waxed the whole car. Looks insane. You guys look at it. It's so good. It is so beautiful. Spotless on this one. This is a good looking, it is a absolute race looking car. It looks really good. So pretty much what I want to do is put it up on jack stands, start removing the front bumper, start removing the exhaust manifold, intake, and all the plastics, and kind of start doing the turbo. We'll start with the oil pan first and kind of work our way through. I'm going to do a bolt by bolt. I have the ECU already. I have the FIC already, plug and play for the 2003, so I'm like actually ready to go. The only thing is I don't have a daily driver. Currently my fiance, she uses my Toyota Tundra pickup truck, V8, this thing's awesome. And my Evo's not done yet. So I dropped my Evo off at English Racing. They went to their big race thing, and it's been there for, I don't know, like 2 months. I think it'll be there. It'll probably be there for like maybe one more month. But once the Evo's done, I think I can daily drive the Evo, work on the MR2, get the MR2 running, and still work on the CelicA all at the same time and make content throughout like the year for you guys. So the main goal for me was to start the turbo in spring. I think we just had the first day of spring of 2022, so I'm ready to do it. I know you guys are ready to do it. I got all the cool parts right here. This stuff is awesome just to look at. I'm like if I were you guys, I'd be like fangirling over this because I love the 2ZZ turbo. I've had a lot of them for a long time, and I really love them, and I can't wait to have one back. Currently, I have no 2ZZ turbo. LOTUS sold. MR2 blew up, and now we need the CelicA. Now, I wanted to say this to you guys. Just because of my incidents, the 2ZZ with a turbo actually lasts a really long time. My 2ZZ MR2, I've gotten like millions of launches out of it, so many launches, and it has, I think, over 10,000 miles on it. Easy, very good, and I drive like a maniac with the 2ZZ turbo. So that being said, I love that car, and it's been really strong. If you're wanting to 2ZZ a turbo and keep it under like 300, like 250, 270 horsepower, will last forever. Like, just keep in mind, Lotus made the S260 supercharged 260 horsepower from factory on a 2ZZ. So keep that in mind. Like, if that's a factory setting, a turbo with 270 is totally fine. We'll have a lot of longevity as well. I know a guy that had a Matrix. Is it a Matrix? Yeah, Matrix XRS, and I think he had like over 150,000 miles on a 2ZZ turbo setup, right? So they do last. So that's pretty awesome. So next thing is I need to get either the MR2 fixed or the Evo fix? So I want you guys comment down below. Should I start working on the MR2 right now, immediately, and try to get it up running, or should I focus on working on the Evo and doing a couple Evo builds with the Evo 9 and then get the Evo ready for a daily driver and then start working on CelicA? I'm not sure which one's gonna be quicker or faster if I get the Evo back. It has the new 6-speed in it and all the goodies, and then I'm gonna have to do a lot of aesthetic stuff, like it needs a new windshield, needs a new paint on the Evo, needs a lot of new things. So I think it might be better if I just separate the builds and go and say, okay, we're finished the MR2, get the MR2 running again, have a nice new transmission in there, have a nice new clutch, I hated the clutch in there, do it myself, and then go and, once that's completed, get the Evo back, set that aside for maybe next year, and then start working on the Toyota CelicA, because I owe it to you guys to do the Toyota CelicA GTS Turbo. I think that should be the best one. So should I do MR2 first, or should I leave the MR2 back, hurry, get the Evo back, hurry, get the Evo windshield fixed, get the new brakes on the Evo, get an alignment, get all that stuff, daily drive the Evo, do like 10 videos of that, daily drive the Evo, and then work on the CelicA and leave the MR2 for like next year. So I kind of have some options here. I don't know which way I want to go. I'm kind of leaning towards fixing the MR2 again, daily driving the MR2 during the summer because it's awesome, and then fixing the Evo like in 2023. So and doing that because I love that Evo, and I should probably take some time with the Evo. But comment down below what I should do. So yeah, as soon as I get a daily driver back, either the MR2 fixed. Because I can't drive this car, obviously, and I've been using this as a daily driver. I can't use this as a daily driver when it's being turboed, and I don't want to do the turbo install like in 3 days. I don't want to do it like Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I want to do it like in like 3 weeks or like a month, where it's slow and detailed, and we go bolt by bolt, no oil leaks, and super clean, and show you guys how to, so you guys have good content and just joy, and they can really enjoy the Toyota CelicA GTS when it's turboed and finished. So comment down below, should I do option 1 or option 2? So MR2 or Evo? Just comment whatever one you guys think I should do first. Other than that, I mean, do you guys just want to look at the CelicA? I mean, let's look at it. Other than that, it's a 2004, I think, yeah, 2004 Toyota CelicA GTS, so 2ZZ, 6-speed manual gearbox, stage 2 competition clutch with that's organic or whatever it is. 3PO, absolute red by Toyota. Authentic body kit, the whole body kit's from factory, so the front bumper is from factory, side skirts are from my website, the lower lip is aftermarket, that little lower lip that I put on there, you guys saw the videos for that. Wheels are from a Subaru BRZ special release edition or whatever it is, I don't know what it is, the Subaru STI. It's a Subaru STI BRZ version, whatever that one is. I think it's a release, I thought that's what it's called. I got some wheel spacers on here, the Tsunami side skirts, everything's amazing. I remember I had the carbon fiber ugly faded hood scoop, and I went and got this one. This is an OEM Tsunami one. Blacked out roof. All this has been freshly waxed and looks amazing and glossy and perfect and beautiful. Super nice. Everything looks really, really quality on it, so it's ready. So I'm ready to do the turbo. Like, I think I should just start. Like, a lot of nights I'm really tempted to, like, all right, just take off the front bumper. Just take off the front, but just start. And I haven't gotten convinced myself to do it, but I really want that intercooler, and I really want to show you guys bolt by bolt and do my time and do it really detailed and clean and have those boost noises. We're gonna have to do a custom exhaust. I don't know if you guys knew that, but we'll end up doing a custom exhaust. It'll be pretty easy. The turbo kit's probably gonna be like a 4 out of 5 difficulty, so you need to know what you're doing kind of thing, and I'll show you guys how to do it, but it's not a 5. It's not the hardest thing in the world. But yeah, so it's currently where we are. I wanted to give you guys an update because I know you guys love this car as much as I do. I'm the absolute largest Toyota CelicA 7th generation fanboy. First car, love it. Especially with the gas prices so high right now. This thing 1.8 liter, oh my gosh. You can go for like 500 miles on a tank, it's amazing. So absolutely love it. Yeah, I don't know, that's where I'm gonna leave this video off. Is it's coming. I just need a daily driver because I'm not gonna be, my fiance uses a truck daily and I don't wanna take it away from her. So yeah, that being said, always swing by MitchRay.com. I'm anticipating me opening up the MR2, removing the transmission, hopefully the 2ZZ is good on it, putting a new clutch on it, installing a new transmission on it, probably from Monkey Wrench. I actually hated that transmission on the MR2. The MR2's transmission is really old. It's from like the year I think it's from the year 2001, and it was an OEM one that already had kind of slight grind on third from a 2001 CelicA, I think it was, a GTS. And I hated that transmission. I always hated that transmission. So I'm actually kind of glad it broke, and kind of glad that the flywheel broke. I knew it was gonna happen. I knew eventually was. So now we can do like an MWR flywheel for the MR2, nice maybe comp clutch for it, or ACD or something like that, ACT, and then do the new transmission, and then daily drive the MR2 that's turbo boosted and be wonderful, and then start working, daily driving the turbo 2ZZ MR2, which would be awesome, and then start working on the CelicA and have the CelicA in the garage and so on and so forth. So that's where I'm at. Make sure to like, subscribe, swingbymitch.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this update. Beautiful just to see this. This is just a beautiful, magnificent, gorgeous aesthetic thing right there. That's just so awesome. I'm very, very excited to do this. I really want to just put this thing on jack stands and rip it apart. So like, subscribe, swingbymitch.com. Hope you guys enjoy this. I'll see you guys in the next video.